Minta kasih ke Business Advisory Committee, kepada ke komiti hakaba ki member ki don nakalian jong soka ban nakalian jong ka opposition ki bakan thup ya ngakum o chairman jong committee ta ki member ki de deputy chief minister ba president song dari parliamentary affairs minister nang ta leader of opposition dari Dr. Mukur Sama ba kong amprin lingdok MLA ba balajet ku person MLA nang tabat ki officials kalai kendu mentak sini hakabedi bat ka session jong ka senrai jong ka assembly hakabangi lai syong ba ya perkhat amban penbet ya ka calendar jong ka session kaban 1 kaban long haka 2 September tiga adin baladap yeshong ka larai ya ke kalender jangka autumn session arja alpuai kabangin sedang haka 10 tarik September arja alpuai pat bakan kut ha ke kanyo tarik September arja alpuai te hakini kisni kidon ki government business kiba kidai haka 10 tarik haka kat sau tarik bat haka kanyo tarik namun laisni government business ki private members business pada kidon haka kalai tarik khatsan tari bakhan lightly kabamut total kisni ki bani chong session ki no hnrio ama baki dang history hak Saturday hak Sunday